Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states, we were sitting in the company of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and besides other companions, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq and Hazrat Umar Farooq radiyallahu anhu were also sitting beside us. All of a sudden, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up and went away. And when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not return for the longest time, we got frightened lest he should be overtaken by any problem. Thinking it, we all got up, and first of all I set out, embarrassed in his search, and reached near the garden of the Ansar of Banu Najjar. I kept making circuits around the garden, finding no entrance. By chance, a channel came into sight, which was going from the outside well to inside of the garden. I, like a vixen, squeezing through the channel, reached Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, Abu Huraira. I submitted, yes, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, what's the matter? I submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, you were sitting amidst us. Then suddenly you went away, and when there happened a delay in your return, we got scared lest the enemies, finding you alone, harass you. So we all got up, embarrassed, and I before all others proceeded in your search, reached this garden, and squeezing like a vixen, entered the garden, and other companions are coming in my wake. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam bestowed me his holy sandals and said, O Abu Huraira, carry away this pair of sandals, and whosoever out of the garden comes across you testifying wholeheartedly that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, give him the glad tidings of paradise. Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu says that Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu was the first whom I met outside the garden. He inquired, O Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu, what are these sandals? I replied, these are the sandals of Allah's Apostle, which he gave me so that I must give the glad tidings of paradise to the one who comes across me, testifying wholeheartedly that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. Hearing it, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu smacked me on my chest, which caused me fall on my back. Then Umar radiyallahu anhu said to me, go back to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So I returned to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and burst into tears. Meanwhile, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu reached there too. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked, O Abu Huraira, what happened? I submitted, first of all, I met Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, so I conveyed him your message. He whereupon struck me on my chest and felled me on my back and asked me to go back. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam asked Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, why did you do so? Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, did you really dispatch Hazrat Abu Huraira with your sandals to convey him the glad tidings of paradise, whoso testifies wholeheartedly that there is no worthy of worship save Allah Jalla Jalaluhu? Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, yes. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu submitted, you may not do so, for I fear the people will depend only on the article of faith, let them perform deeds. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, well, let them act. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 146.